Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create a basketball hoop design. See, this is our model that we are going to make. Okay, for this purpose, first of all, open a new part file, click OK. Make sure that the unit system is in GS system. Okay, now select the top plane, sketch and draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension and this rectangle is 100 by 100. Type here 100. Also, this length is 100 millimeter. Okay, now draw one circle on this center line. Go to Smart Dimension and the distance from this point to this line is 10 mm and also the diameter of circle is 10 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to linear sketch pattern and in this section go to circular sketch pattern and select this circle. See, now click OK. Now go to features, extruded boss base and type here 10 mm and select blind. Click OK. Now select the front plane and sketch. Go to line command and draw a line from the center like this. Now escape. Go to smart dimension. This length is 225 and this length is 100. Okay, now go to sketch fillet and select these two lines. See, and type here 40 millimeter. Now click OK. Now select this face, sketch and draw a circle. Go to smart dimension and the diameter is 30 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to features and select here swept boss base. And see, this is blue, so in blue section select the circle and in the pink section select this vertical line. See, now click OK. See, now select this part, go to appearance and select the whole part and select here this color. See, now click OK. Now select this face, sketch, draw a center rectangle, go to smart dimension. This length is 160 millimeter and this height is 120 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, and select here Blind and type 10 mm. See, click OK. Now select the front plane, sketch, and draw a center line like this, vertical. Escape. Now draw a circle. Go to Smart Dimension. The distance from the center to this center line is 30 millimeter. The distance from this center to this end point is 30 millimeter. The distance from the center to this vertical line is 12 millimeter. And also the diameter is 6 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to Features. Choose here Revolve Boss Base and click OK. Again select this face, sketch, and draw a center line. First of all, zoom in and draw a center line from this point to this point. Escape. Now draw a center rectangle from the center. See, this is the point. So draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This length is 12 millimeter. And this length is 3 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, and choose here up to surface. Zoom in, see, and select this surface. So this will extrude up to this surface. Now click OK. See, this is extruded up to this surface. Okay, now just simply select this part, go to Appearances, and select the first option. And select here red color. Also select this part, also the bottom face, and also this side. Just zoom in. See, now click OK and Control 7. This is our isometric view. Now select the front face, sketch, and draw a center rectangle. Click OK. Now select this point, press the Control key and select this point and make them vertical. Now click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. The distance from this line to this line is 35 millimeter, and also from this line to this line is 35 millimeter, and from this point to this point the distance is 35 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to offset entities, type here 5 millimeter and select this one line. See, we want the inward direction, so reverse it. See, it is in the inward. So click OK. Now select the outer rectangle by pressing the control key, select all the lines and convert entities, also offset entities, and type here 5 millimeter. Select any one of the line and make the direction reverse so that it comes inside. Now click OK. Now go to features, curves, and select here split line and select this surface. Click OK. Okay, now select this face, go to appearance and select the first part and choose here black color. See, also select this face and this is also black. Now click OK. Now for the inner appearance, select this face, go to appearance, first option and select here gray or white. Yes, white is looking more good. Also select this surface. See, now click OK. Now select the bottom face of this surface. Go to sketch. Now go to features and select here curves. In this section, select helix and spiral. Note that the pitch is 200 millimeter, revolutions are 0.2, the start angle is 180 degree, and check the clockwise, and in taper helix type 15 degree and uncheck the taper out. Okay, see this is outward, so we want inward, so uncheck this one. See, now click OK. See, this is what we made, this curve. Now again go to features and reference geometry, and in this section select plane. First of all delete this one and now select this line and also its endpoint. Okay, first of all control 7 and zoom. Now click OK and now select this plane and sketch. Selecting the sketch will make it normal, so we want its older interface, so select like this and zoom. See, now draw a circle, click OK, select this point, press the control key and select this line and make them pairs. Now this is in the center, click OK. Now go to smart dimension and this is 3 millimeter. Now click OK and hide this plane. See, now go to features, swept pause space. First of all, delete this one. In the blue section, select the circle and also in the pink section select this line. See, okay. Now click OK. Now select this face, appearances, select the first option and select here yellow. Click OK. Now select the front plane, press the Ctrl key and select this curve. Go to linear pattern and mirror. Click OK. See, now again go to linear pattern and this time select circular pattern. In the direction 1, first of all Ctrl 7. In the direction 1, select the whole part and in this section select the sketch of revolve 2. Okay, and in the features and faces select the last two options. Last option is already selected, so we will choose second last option. Now click OK. See, now our part is complete. Control 7. So this is our final model. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.